Meron pa po bang iba na wala pa pong clearance from the ombudsman or lahat po nakapagbigay na except him?
Actually, dalawa po sila wala pang ombudsman clearance. So, si Secretary Remulla at saka si Chairperson Felix Reyes.
Ma'am, yung sa kaso po ni Secretary Remulla, siya po ay nakapag-interview kahit wala pa po siyang clearance?
Yes, because he is given until the day of final deliberations to submit his clearance.
Which is when po, ma'am?
We can expect that in the next few weeks.
Weeks pa, ma'am?
Weeks.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am. Follow up lang, ma'am. If hindi po makapagbigay ng clearance si Secretary Remulla, what will happen po?
So, on the day of deliberation for the shortlist, dapat may ombudsman clearance na yung applicants. Now, if wala pa silang ombudsman clearance by that day, they cannot be considered as part of the nominated, hindi po sila mai-include sa shortlist.
Ombudsman, ano po yung kanyang trabaho? Ano po yung kapangyarihan niya? Gaano kahaba po yung tenure niya? And paano po siya maaalis sa pwesto?
Well, number one, yung ombudsman, yung main role niya is to investigate and to prosecute yung mga illegal acts or omissions ng ating mga government officials and employees. So, tinatanggal siya through impeachment under the Constitution, and yung term ng ombudsman is for 7 years with